Your data lives everywhere. File shares, SharePoint, OneDrive, Google Drive, Box, Dropbox. But sharing it securely with partners and remote teams, that's been the challenge. Until now. Kiteworks Repositories Gateway connects all your enterprise repositories through a single, secure interface. File shares, SFTP, SharePoint, OneDrive, Google Drive, Box, Dropbox, unified under one governance layer. Give remote workers secure access to corporate repositories without the risks of VPN. Zero network exposure, zero compromised system access. Just secure, governed connectivity from anywhere. Share externally with confidence. Copy files to Kiteworks, collaborate with partners, then return results to the original repository, all with full audit trails, access controls, and compliance. Even access blocked consumer cloud services securely. When customers send sensitive data through Dropbox or Google Drive, designated users can retrieve it through Kiteworks with full governance and audit controls. Security that honors your existing controls. Repositories Gateway inherits permissions, locking, and versioning from each source system. Integrates with Active Directory, SAML, and OAuth.
And delivers unified search over SharePoint and file shares.
Complete visibility. Every access, every share, every action, captured in a comprehensive audit log with centralized compliance monitoring across all your repositories. Kiteworks Repositories Gateway. Every repository, one secure interface, total governance. Learn more at kiteworks.com.